Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable dynamic lock screen in Samsung Galaxy A16. If you are using A16 and now you want to enable dynamic lock screens, let's see how can you do that. Here you can see I have already enabled that feature and my wallpaper is automatically changing. So now we're going to enable it on your phone. So open your settings app and here just scroll down and look for wallpaper and style. Then go for change wallpaper and here just look for dynamic lock screen. Tap on it and here you will get different categories. You can select maximum 5 categories at a time. I have selected these three, but I'm going to select one more. Here just select this one. It will start downloading and after that it will be selected. So you can see I have selected 4 categories. Now you can easily use your dynamic lock screen in your Samsung Galaxy A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.